Put all the parts of the recliner on the floor. We got pillow, 2 armrests, back, and the seat, and also the wires and 2 remote controls. There are 2 locking clips on the arms. To put the arm on, you need to line the clips from the top and press down. Next, find 2 clips on the back to connect to the bottom cushion. Slide the clips on and firmly push down until they click. Put the pillow on the recliner. Open the flap. Find and connect the 2 ends of the massage remote control. Connect the other internal wire with the end of the reclining remote control. Attach the Velcro to the back. Put the 2 remote controls in place. Now you can sit down and enjoy your new recliner.